Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, I got it. Great. So, oh, great. So we're on. Is it live now? Is it? Brilliant. It worked. Well done. Yeah. No, I'm really excited. Listen, before I go in, I just want to give you all gathered there this evening in Swansea my heartfelt congratulations on behalf of myself and the whole of Wales for your hard work and diligence over the last years and months leading up to this moment and onwards to the future. So, llongyfarchiadau gwresog I chi gyd. Okay, I'm feeling good about this. I'm feeling lucky. So, listen, I'm just gonna pop to the bookies and I'll be back in a minute. We've got plenty of time. Only joking. Right, I'm going in now. Okay, wish me luck. Okay, come on, Rhys. Ambition is critical. 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 Job done.